everyone? Got a 2019 Mercedes GLA250, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote key fob battery. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take the emergency key out of the back or bottom of the remote. All right, let's see, get this string out of our way a little bit. If we look here, there's a sliding button that we're going to slide. It's kind of hard to do. We're going to slide with our thumb here and hold it, and that will unlock the key. All right, and then the emergency key will come out once you unlock it. Now once we have it out, I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver, and the slot where the key came out is this one. This slot right here is where it locks, and that's where we're going to use the flathead screwdriver. We're going to put it in here and just kind of push up on it until we hit this little tab that the remote has, okay? On the back cover here, there's this little tab here. You can hit it from underneath just like that, and that lets us in here. Then we can take the battery out. I'm just going to pry it out the side here like this. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is going to be a CR2025, and positive sign facing out towards us. It goes in the left side of the remote first and just goes right in there. Need a battery, check the description box. I have a link to Amazon. We can get a battery really cheap there. Just get the back cover, snap it in, and then put the emergency key back in. Once you get it in like that, you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it if you could leave me a comment if you could, or hit that like button, and I hope to see you again in another video.